Hi. Today we're at 2970 Wickwire Street. That's in between Detroit and St. Clair in the Paxon area, between 11th and 12th. Nice little street here. Homes are nicely done. Let's go in and take a look. Got a little enclosed front porch here. Got a nice little storage, front storage closet. Nice big room here. Lots of open space. Big screen can go on either this wall here, or it looks like it has been set up over on this wall, actually, in the past. Dining room. Kitchen. Very functional. Everything's freshly painted, neat and clean. Okay. Whole bath. Front bedroom. This is a nice sized bedroom. You've got a spot here that you can put a nice size chest of drawers there. Normal size closet there. Middle bedroom, it's a little smaller. I thought that doesn't have that big feeling about it, but certainly get a nice double or queen size bed in here, I would think. That's the closet there. Go out the back here. Oh, got a nice bonus room here. Great for an office or a kid's room to play. Shut the doors. We'll keep have a little privacy, and now you have a master bedroom here. Shower. Then we have the closet. Nice big closet. It's a nice ceiling fan. So let's check out the back door here. Got a pretty nice size backyard. It's fenced. That's a big plus. Storage shed has a washer and dryer connection. That's good. The garage comes with it. Okay, let's go back and take a quick look. Okay, got a master bedroom.